Hello, today we're on the MSC Seashore, where we're going to tour the Yacht Club's Deluxe Balcony Suite 16051. Turn on the lights, you use this key card. The bathroom was pretty spacious. Got both soap and lotion at the sink. And you'll find shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner in the shower. It's got a rainfall shower head along with a regular shower head and a bench seat. This was a pretty spacious shower for a cruise ship. In this suite, it will also come with a 24-hour butler who can help you with all your needs. It also includes priority embarkment and disembarkment. There's a coffee maker, both European and US plugs. You can get 4 items of clothing, ironed, included in the package for the suite. And a fully stocked minibar for your convenience. Though the edibles you only get once, all your drinks can be refilled every day. Had a king-size bed and a pull-out sofa. We slept 4 in this room comfortably. The balcony had 2 chairs and a little table with great views. And it also includes all the other amenities that Yacht Club has to offer. I hope you enjoyed the tour. So if you liked this video, please click subscribe, like, share with your friends.